What did I do? Where'd Bubbles go?
I locked Ariel out of the house, and Ariel had a third-degree burn with blisters from head to toe. And she just showed up in my house within hours of her falling. And Ariel had been in the
Oh, you coming back to beat me up?
and that's when the judge
I got this!
Oh my God, his head hit the floor. How does that not make him cry?
Okay, he's okay, guys. He's okay, guys. If I lay this way, the sun's my eyes. Not you!
Teabag. Hey, guess what? That little boy's head hit the ground hard and he didn't cry.
Yeah, I know. He won't cry. He don't cry.
Oh my God. So someone could come up there and smack him in the face with the board? No. No. No.
Hi, Bubbles.
What do you got?
her sister had her exposure show. And ever since then, her sister fell in love with Ariel. So they have been trying to get Ariel back, and when it kept
Oh my
going,
God, he's touching my back.
Bubbles!
Oh. I was like, go get it. Go get it.
Come here, boy.
Go get it.
If I lay down, he's just gonna sit on me.
I will. You have to.
Not my shoes! Them are my new shoes. No. Son, I'll put them off the porch. Yeah, really? Hi.
Still on your phone? Your dad will probably get on top of you again.
I am videotaping. Whoa! Don't do that. Back again. Wow.
Fine, weirdo. You are the weirdest kid. Joke's on you.